Hello students, good morning. Today we will be drawing tractor. Are you excited? So let's start. First we will draw a rectangle. The length of the rectangle will be thrice the breadth. So this is the rectangle. You see that? The length is 3 times the breadth. After that we will divide it into 3 equal halves, and after the first half we will draw another rectangle. One thing that we have to be careful is that we make it with soft hand. And now we are going to draw a tire, the back tire. So first we take the center, and from there we make a circle. So this is our back wheel with tire. So next we will make a line so that the level of the next tire will be same as that of the one which we have drawn earlier. So this is our second tire. So we make few changes here, and then we will draw a cabin. Cabin is a place where the driver sits. In India you will not find so many tractors with cabin, but in other countries there are tractors where the driver sits in a cabin. So this is the mud guard. A place for the driver to step and get into his cabin. That's the steering wheel. And here we make a circle, another circle. Let's do the same with the next one. And here also we will have a mud guard. So this is the exhaust place. So somewhat our tractor is ready. Now we have to erase the lines which are not needed. So eraser is also a very important part of drawing, as the pencil is. So we are removing all the lines which we don't need. For that reason you have to be very careful when you are drawing, that you are drawing with soft hand, so that when you are erasing there won't be any mark or spots left. So here also there are some lines which needs to be removed. Also there the front wheel, few lines has to be removed. Yes, that line needs to be removed. Also the down line which we had used to keep our wheels at the same level, now we remove it. So now somewhat our tractor is getting ready. The last portion is the groove of the tire, which is very important. So we draw the groove. Of the back tire, and now the front one. So now our tractor is ready, and now we will make the lines bold using crayon. We are using here black crayon. You can even use dark pencil or any other color, even a sketch pen. Now we have almost completed, and now we will start coloring. So here we are using crayons. Also the color choice you can do according to your taste. So now children, our tractor is ready. So now it's your time. Take a sheet of paper and start. And please don't forget to send it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Bye.